Welcome back to Rapid Reads Club. Today we are going to explore the 7 habits that will transform your life. These habits are written in the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, a book, a life-changing book written by Stephen. So let's unlock them quickly. The first habit is be proactive, stop blaming others, take control of your life. The second habit is begin with the end in mind. Know where are you going. A life without direction leads nowhere. The third habit is put first things first. Focus on what matters. Don't waste your time on distractions. Think win-win. This is the fourth habit, which means success is not about defeating others, it is about growing together. The fifth habit is understand first, which means listen, not reply first. Sixth habit is synergize, which means together we are stronger. Great thing happens when minds unite. The seventh habit is sharpen the saw, which means take control of yourself, rest, learn and grow, because a better you creates a better life. The final insight of this book is these habits are very simple, but they can transform your life. Remember, success is not an event, it is a habit. That's the real power of this book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. So start today just with a one habit. Which one will you choose? Answer me in the comment sections and wait for my next video. Thank you very much for listening.